In this video, I will show you how to replace the outside warning buzzer on a 4th generation Kia Sportage. The outside buzzer is responsible for the warning beeps you hear outside the vehicle, such as when the smart key is left inside the vehicle and you press the button on the door handle to lock the vehicle. When a door is left open and you try to lock the vehicle. Or when you leave the vehicle with the engine running or the ignition turned on. The buzzer is located behind the left front wheel well fender. According to the workshop service manual, the recommended procedure to access the buzzer is to lift the vehicle, remove the wheel and then remove the whole fender liner. This is a lot of work for such a simple repair. So I'm going to show you a much easier method instead. Look inside the wheel well and you will see 6 plastic retaining clips securing the outer edge of the fender liner. You just have to remove these 6 clips. Using a clip removal tool or a flathead screwdriver, carefully pry up the center pin of each clip, then remove the clip from the liner. Continue until all 6 clips have been removed. With the clips removed, grab the outer edge of the fender liner from the front and gently pull it away from the wheel well. The liner is made of flexible plastic, so it can be bent back easily. Pull it back just enough to create an opening in the middle. This opening is all you need to access the buzzer. Now look inside the opening and you will see the blue colored outside warning buzzer. The buzzer is secured by a plastic retaining clip on its back side that snaps directly into the vehicle frame. If you want to replace it, just disconnect the wiring harness connector and then unclip the buzzer. It is that simple. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to VJoin for more car repair tutorials. Thanks for watching.